Hey, fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of action cameras. With technology evolving at lightning speed, we're exploring the best action cameras of 2024 that promise to capture your heart-pounding moments in stunning detail. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our epic tech reviews. Let's roll. Number 5, AKASO V50X. In 2024, the AKASO V50X will be the pinnacle of action camera innovation, providing an immersive experience for thrill seekers and explorers alike. This pocket-sized powerhouse is engineered to record the most exciting moments with incredible clarity, guaranteeing that every experience becomes a visual masterpiece. The AKASO V50X is a small camera built for shooting action videos. It comes with a clear plastic case that is supposed to be waterproof and impact-resistant. Number 4, Insta360 Go 2. The Insta360 Go 2 is, well, the way to go. This tiny camera, marketed by the manufacturer as the world's smallest action camera, will appeal more to vloggers and content creators than tough adventurers. However, it is a one-of-a-kind camera that can fit into the smallest of areas. It also includes a magnetic pendant necklace that allows you to shoot hands-free. Furthermore, it includes some cool capabilities that you can access via the Insta360 companion app, such as an editing suite built-in and video stabilization that you can apply after the fact. However, unlike the GoPro Hero 9 Black, which is roughly the same price, the Go 2 cannot capture 4K video. Instead, it has a maximum resolution of 1440 and fewer frame rate possibilities. During lengthier recording sessions, overheating can also be a concern. Still, if you want an absolutely small, basic option for on-the-go video, this is a handy tiny camera with a slew of added functions. The Insta360 Go 2 is a pocket-sized video camera that bills itself as the world's smallest action camera. When it comes to portability, a camera is hard to beat, and it comes with a few different mounting accessories that make it easy to capture video in tight spots and from POVs that are difficult to achieve with larger cameras, including a magnet necklace that lets you dangle the camera inconspicuously from the front of your shirt. This is the camera for you if you ever felt GoPro should take an Apple-like approach to design. The Insta360 Go 2 is a pocket-sized video camera that bills itself as the world's smallest action camera. When it comes to portability, a camera is hard to beat, and it comes with a few different mounting accessories that make it easy to capture video in tight spots and from POVs that are difficult to achieve with larger cameras, including a magnet necklace that lets you dangle the camera inconspicuously from the front of your shirt. This is the camera for you if you ever felt GoPro should take an Apple-like approach to design. The Insta360 Go 2 is adequate for action footage, but its frame rate and quality options are severely limited. Still, if you want a little camera with good video stabilization, the Go 2 is a good option. It has a slow-motion mode that can shoot 1080 at 120 frames per second, and it comes with a few mounting options, including a magnet clip for recording chest-level POV footage. Unfortunately, it cannot record 4K footage and has fewer frame rate possibilities than more traditional action cameras. The Insta360 Go 2 is unsuitable for travel photography. Because the camera is designed primarily for video, its photo capabilities are limited. It produces low-quality photographs, has a short battery life, and its lens fixed focal length and aperture are severely limited. The only advantage is that it is extremely portable. The Insta360 Go 2 isn't the finest option for vlogging, but it can be useful if you want something small and discreet. While the camera does not have a screen to let you monitor yourself while vlogging, it is designed to be used in conjunction with the companion software on your phone, which allows you to monitor your film in live view. It also works well at smoothing out camera shake. Unfortunately, the camera has a very short battery life and frequent overheating difficulties. Number 3, AKASO Brave 7 LE. The AKASO Brave 7 LE has emerged as a top choice for adventurers, providing the ideal combination of durability, versatility, and sophisticated capabilities to capture your most amazing moments. This action camera is built to resist the rigors of extreme sports and outdoor activities while producing superb high-definition video. The Brave 7 LE features a one-of-a-kind dual-screen design with a vibrant 2-inch touchscreen on the rear and a convenient front-facing screen for easy framing and filming of selfies or vlogs. Experience the clarity of 4K Ultra HD video recording. The Brave 7 LE records your excursions in incredible detail and brilliant colors, ensuring that your footage captures the true spirit of your adventures. Take a bold step into the action. The tough and waterproof construction of the Brave 7 LE allows you to submerge it in water up to a specific depth without the need for an external case. Say goodbye to choppy video. The integrated EIS technology delivers smooth and stable footage even in the most difficult settings, resulting in professional quality results. With different field of view options, you can tailor your images. The Brave 7 LE adjusts to your creative vision, whether you're shooting wide-angle landscapes or zooming in for a closer look. Connect to your smartphone or other devices using the built-in Wi-Fi. Share your experiences in real time or quickly transfer files for quick and easy editing. The supplied remote control provides another level of simplicity, allowing you to start and stop recording or snapshot capture with the press of a button, even when the camera is installed. Don't waste any time. The Brave 7 LE has a long-lasting battery, allowing you to capture your full experience without interruption. Connecting an external microphone will improve your audio quality. Capture beautiful, sharp sounds to go along with your stunning photos. The Brave 7 LE adjusts to any situation thanks to a variety of mounting adapters. This action camera is up for the task whether you're bicycling, skiing, or diving. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2. Although calling the DJI Pocket 2 an action camera is a stretch, it stands out for its built-in gimbal, which allows you to capture silky smooth handheld footage without the need for extra equipment. The gimbal works quite well and can stabilize the camera across 3 axes that may be configured in various ways. You can, for example, lock the horizon or stop the camera from tilting and rolling. In addition to stabilization, the camera offers an active tracking focus mode that can latch onto and automatically follow a selected target. Although there aren't as many frame rate possibilities as with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, the camera's first 7-inch sensor puts it ahead of other action cameras in terms of video clarity and low light capabilities. It's an excellent choice for individuals who wish to capture stabilized handheld video without lugging additional equipment like gimbals or tripods. The DJI Pocket 2 is a vlogger-targeted handheld camera that replaces the DJI Osmo Pocket. It, like its predecessor, boasts an integrated 3-axis gimbal that provides superb image and video stabilization. It's also lightweight and portable with a variety of frame rate possibilities. It can record and playback video at up to 60 frames per second in 4K and FHD, and it features a high-speed recording preset in FHD that can capture video at 120 and 240 frames per second for slow-motion playback. However, its overall video quality is only adequate, and it gets pretty hot when in use, especially when shooting in 4K. For travel photography, the DJI Pocket 2 is adequate. It's extremely portable, making it ideal for on-the-go use, and it has a very decent battery life, though this can vary depending on real-world situations. Its built-in gimbal also performs an excellent job of reducing camera shake. However, its image quality is just adequate, and it has a fixed focal length and aperture, limiting your ability to create varied shots. The DJI Pocket 2 is ideal for action footage. It offers exceptional video stabilization capability because to its built-in gimbal, but is more difficult to attach on a helmet or chest rig for first-person POV action filming. It can play back 4K video at 60 frames per second and FHD video at 240 frames per second, but only in slow motion at 120 and 240 frames per second. However, it is not water resistant, and we are not currently testing for that. Its overall video quality is likewise adequate. The DJI Pocket 2 is adequate for studio video, although it is not meant for this use. Its overall video quality is satisfactory. It also features a simple menu and a useful DJI Mimo companion app. Its autofocus technology is good at following moving subjects, and it includes an intelligent tracking capability that may follow your subject automatically. Unfortunately, other from a USB-C port, the camera lacks inputs and outputs. However, you can purchase extra attachments or the Creator Combo Bundle, which includes a do-it-all handle with additional ports and wireless connectivity. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPro recently announced the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the pinnacle of action cameras with additional features, such as a tripod attachment and Bluetooth mic connectivity. That being said, the still amazing GoPro Hero 10 Black is now available at its lowest price ever. It's a significant step forward from previous GoPros with a GP2 processor that improves low-light capabilities, stabilization, and frame rate options over the GoPro Hero 9 Black. You can capture anything from seamless action to ultra-slow motion in great resolution with 5.3K video up to 60 Fps, 4K video up to 120 Fps, and 2.7/1080p video at up to 240 Fps. You also get GoPro's dependable build quality, as well as waterproofing to 33 feet, 10 meters. The camera's selfie screen makes it a solid vlogging camera, and the hyper-smooth video stabilization works like a dream to ensure your film is buttery smooth. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is an action camera with a lot of features. Because of its faster overall performance, it's effectively an enhanced version of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best action cameras in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.